What up, good people? Huge shout out to First Team Kia for allowing me to review the 2024 Kia Sorento. Introducing the 2024 Kia Sorento in stunning gravity gray, this sleek, powerful SUV commands attention with its striking design and impressive dimension. Standing tall in 67 inches, spanning 198 inches in length, and boasting a robust wheelbase of 110 inches. With its confident 6.9-inch ground clearance, get ready to experience the perfect blend of style, space, and performance. This particular model has remote start. The Sorento have a rugged design to deliver an exhilarating experience on and off the road. Also, this have an MSRP of $36,000. Under the hood is the dynamic 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, roars to life with 191 horses and 181 pound-feet of torque at 4,000 RPM. Sprint from 0 to 60 in just 9.4 seconds with a thrilling top speed of 134. Plus, enjoy a remarkable fuel efficiency with 28 mpg on the highway, 23 in the city. Step inside of the Sorento and you're welcomed by luxurious gray leather seats that combine style and comfort. Right here we're looking at a digital gauge. On the left you have your MPH with your gas gauge. On the right you have your RPM with your engine temp. In the middle you have your battery percentage. Using the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel, you can go through your vehicle info, tire pressure, compass, and all the other good stuff. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have your Bluetooth and volume button with voice command alongside your mode and favorite. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control setting with your lane follow assist alongside your menu button. Looking on the left side of the steering wheel, you have your interior dim with your traction control. Looking down on the door pane, you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control. Right here, we're looking at a touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay running the latest Kia Connect. You have your traditional radio shortcuts with your dual climate control. In the cubby area, you have your 2 USB outlets with your wireless charging pad. You have your heated seats. You have your shift knob with your leather boot. This particular model is an 8-speed automatic transmission. You have your cup holder area. You have your different drive mode with your axle lock. The buttons right here are your auto start feature with your auto hold with your hill assist alongside your electronic parking with your parking sensor with your parking view. We then made our way up to your interior lighting with your moonroof control alongside your SOS Safety Connect with your Kia Connect. You have your glove box for extra storage space. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We're greeted with more luxurious gray leather seats. On the back of the passenger and driver seat, you have more USB outlets. You have your air vent. You have your cup holder area with your one-touch window control. The luxury continues in the third row. You have more USB in the third row. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 12.6 cubic feet, with seat area measuring at 75.5 cubic feet. Wow, you could put a couple of 60-inch TVs back here. You have your underfloor storage for more storage space alongside your jack. Once again, huge shout out to First Team Kia for allowing me to review the 2024 Kia Sorento. If you need any information about them, I'll leave a link in the description below. Like always, good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.